Hey there, just made a quick pit stop at Pioneer. Had great memories from Pioneer, so I'm loyal to them.
Oh yeah, love you, Pioneer.
Area says closed, but not for us. We got a drone. Look at this bullshit. Authorized zone. Can't fly because it's in Guelph. Because Canada is really uptight. Everything cool. We got to put a fence on it. Experience history through a fence. Yeah. Luckily I'm tall. See that? Dangerous conditions. This is so fucking dangerous. Oh my god. Canadians are such pussies. Used to be able to walk right through this ruin. I actually shot a music video here once. Something. Could really go for some pumpkin pie. If someone had a pumpkin pie stand, I'd pay them real well right now. Looks like rundown Venice. Here at the Canadian Warplane Heritage Museum. I love flight, I love planes. Not a big fan of war, but if it's necessary, fuck it. See any guns anywhere? Is that the Canadian way? I didn't know you can push a plane. Just got back from Albion Falls. It's okay, the falls itself, but I don't like, there's no access to it. You can't get close. I don't know, you can see the roads, too close to the parking lot. It totally is not, no. Cliff is terrifying. These cliffs are giving me vertigo, man. Who doesn't love the sound of the water rushing down and leaves turning all yellow? Look at this cool tree. It's a really steep drop. I am shocked Canadians didn't put a fence here. Shocked. Well, here's a fence, although it's in disrepair. There you go, that's how you solve it. So they wouldn't let me in unless I had a reservation and a car. I left my car pretty far away. I didn't get a reservation, so I found a solution. Saw some guards there. I didn't want to pass them again, so I'm non-confrontational. Almost at the road. The problem is I messed up my shoes. And my getaway car Waiting right here. And that's how you see Webster Falls in 2 falls without reservations. Walking with my muddy feet. It's raining leaves. This looks like a fairy tale. Hiking to Sherman Falls. It's a little tough. These tennis shoes are not meant for hiking. They have 0 grip. Some of these hikers look really professional. They're well equipped. Should I even be here? With all these leaves covering up the ground. Couldn't see a rock. I stepped on it wrong. Kills now. Kills. In hiking, foot placement is everything. Wow. Sherman Falls is my favorite falls. You'll see in a sec. That was a nice hike, pretty good workout. Thank God I thought about bringing water.